Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a frustrating issue that many PlayStation users might encounter in 2025. The infamous blinking red light on your console. If you're seeing this, don't panic. It's often a sign that something needs a quick fix, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First off, what does that blinking red light mean? On 2025 PlayStation models, it typically indicates a problem with power supply, overheating, or even a hardware glitch. This could be due to dust buildup, faulty cables, or software errors. The good news is that most cases can be resolved without needing professional help. Let's start with the basics. Step 1. Unplug your PlayStation from the power source and wait about 10 minutes. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches. Once it's cooled down, plug it back in and turn it on. If the light persists, check your power cord and outlet. Make sure the cord is securely connected and try a different outlet to rule out electrical issues. Next, if that doesn't work, it's time to look at overheating. Dust can clog the vents, so grab a can of compressed air and gently clean around the console's fans and ports. Always power it down first for safety. Also, ensure your PlayStation is in a well-ventilated area, not crammed in a tight space or near heat sources. For more advanced troubleshooting, head to the Settings menu once it's running stably. Update your system software, as 2025 models might have new patches that fix these issues. If you're still seeing the red light, it could be a hardware problem. Consider contacting PlayStation support or visiting a repair shop. Remember, prevention is key. Regularly clean your console, keep it updated, and avoid overusing it without breaks. That way, you can keep gaming smoothly. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay tuned for our next video, and happy gaming!